Hi friends, hope you all are doing good. Today I am back with something new topic. This is related to configuring your different email IDs in one application. Okay, I know few of them are facing problems like having multiple apps installed in your mobile phone, which load your mobile a lot and needs more memory as well. So I came with this configuration so that you can have one application, email application, and access all your email IDs from one application. So let's see how you can going to configure it. Okay, so it doesn't depend on the application. You can have any application, either Gmail or Outlook or any one application installed in your mobile phone, and you can configure it in the similar way. Okay, but now today I'm going to show you in Gmail how you are going to configure your email IDs in Gmail. Okay, like suppose I have two email IDs, like one is Gmail and one is Outlook. So if you want to access both the email IDs, I can configure in the Gmail application and I can access both the email IDs at a time. Okay, I mean in one place. So let's go to Gmail app. Now you see in the right hand top corner I have my profile picture showing. Okay, so click there. When this opens, you can see here already my Gmail is being loaded. Now I want to load my Outlook email as well. So how you are going to do? Click on add another account. Okay, now there are some predefined categories already has been made by Gmail. So see here, if you have a Google email, then click on Google. If you have Outlook, Hotmail or Live email ID to be configured, then click on second option. If you want to configure your Yahoo email, then click on Yahoo. If you want to configure Exchange or Office 365, then you can click on of Exchange or Office 365 option. Or if the email which you are using is not listed here in the above, then you can click on other. Okay, but I have Outlook email account, so I am going to click on Outlook. Okay, see now it is asking for prompting for email ID. So let us give an email ID. So I mentioned the email ID. Click next. Enter your password to get sign in. Okay, you need to give the right password here. Okay, and everything will be taken care by Gmail, so no need to do anything, stay signed in. See, my details are being validating. Once it is validated, my email will be loaded. My Hotmail email also will be loaded in Gmail app. So just allow everything. Click next. It's done. Okay, so how to check? So current viewing is Gmail account. Okay, now we have to Outlook account. How to do that? Click on the right top corner. Okay, see here I'm getting two email accounts. One is patnanakiran at gmail.com, another is kirankumar95 at the rate hotmail.com. So now I want to access hotmail.com. Click on this account. So you see, okay, we have that account logged. So if I want to switch to Gmail again, you can click on Gmail. Again Gmail will be logged in. So this way you can configure multiple emails in one application and you can switch between them. So once you are switching, so you are accessing as your Hotmail account, and you can send mails, you can receive, you can check your emails and everything you can do. Okay, and if you want to remove that, how you are going to do that? Okay, remember one thing, one Gmail account which is the default one, you cannot remove that email ID. Okay, you need to reset your mobile phone. Okay, so for now, if I want to remove Hotmail account, how I'm going to do? Click on the profile picture in the right top corner. Here we have manage accounts on this device. Okay, click on manage accounts on this device. Now you see I'm seeing two mails attached in my application. You're getting to see, right? One the Gmail, another is Hotmail. So click on Hotmail. Here we have remove account option. Okay, click on remove account and the email will be removed. Only Gmail you can access only Gmail account. Okay, so this is the way how you can configure your multiple email IDs in one application, one email application. Okay, in a similar way you can also use your Outlook email as well. Okay, in any other email application also you can configure in the similar way. You can try those things, and I hope you like this video and it is helpful to you. Please do like, comment and share my video, and if you are not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel, just to have a motivation to create more videos which are helpful to you. Thank you guys, thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.